Hey,
Hey everybody.
I'm not in the frame though. Anything?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Hi guys. We're live at 5 today.
Live at 5.
YaadMentz season 2
No,
give
2.
away. Yeah.
Season 2.
Season 3 coming soon.
Yep.
How you guys doing? I don't know who is joining us yet. Wait. Look.
Nobody.
Nobody. We out here. Make it look nice.
All about you, though.
Yeah.
All about you.
You know.
So, well, we are live. It's about our giveaway time. We're raffling the prize.
Yes, we are.
The prize is a movie ticket for
To
the
watch
lucky winner to watch
any
a movie.
movie of your choice.
No, a movie voucher, I should say. It's a movie voucher.
Any movie of your choice.
Right.
Admit one.
Yes,
It's
one
not
person.
valid for the 2-for-1 thing,
No,
so
no.
it's just for you alone.
Just one person.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here on a Sunday evening
You know, we're chilling. What you guys up to?
at the YaadMentz spot where we do most of the YaadMentz recording.
They don't have to know that. Yeah,
Yes.
guys. Yeah. It's Heroes Weekend. Yeah.
Liam,
What
be so live.
Be so bad, man.
I'm not trying to be a bad
Bad
man.
mind and grudgeful. You are bad mind.
No,
Hey.
yeah.
Hey.
Still waiting for, 1 or 2 persons to sign in so we can raffle off. We're going to make this video available as well in the, the story stream. So you can check it out afterwards to see who is the lucky winner for season 2. YaadMentz giveaways. Hashtag YaadMentz. Follow us on YaadMentz. Subscribe to us on YouTube as well. Search for the YouTube channel. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, hi Sam.
She's excited.
Hey Sam. Hey girl, what's up?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us. Why didn't you enter the giveaway, miss? Why, Teddy Bear Sammy, didn't you enter the giveaway? How was church today? Did you go? Did you go?
Oh, we jumped to 1 minute. That's it.
No, it's two. Just Eva Marie and Sammy. You want to there? Sammy.
Oh, Sammy.
He can't read, guys. He's blind. He needs glasses.
Oh, I never see it. But
He needs to join the glasses crew.
It says one up there, so it's gone up to 2
Hey,
now.
Brooks Higgins. I feel like this is Ken. Hey, girl. Happy anniversary to you. Today's Kenny's and Radine anniversary.
Welcome to YaadMentz giveaway, season 2 giveaway.
Yeah, season 2 giveaway.
Hope you did enter.
Hey, Daniel. What's up? Big up yourself. Why didn't you enter the giveaway, though, Daniel? Why didn't you do that? You should have entered the giveaway. Big up yourself for tuning into our live Instagram
live feed on the giveaway.
Yes, she was at church. Big up yourself. It was good. Why didn't you go to church? Hey, Daniel. Oh, they're saying thanks. They're so sweet.
Yeah, big up on yourself.
We love you guys.
If you didn't enter, sorry. Hopefully next season 3 you can enter.
At the end of
giveaway.
season 3, please
Where
do
the ticket
enter.
there? The ticket there. Oh, my in my back pocket. As you see here, we're giving away a movie voucher for the lucky winner for season 2 giveaway. Yeah. Here we go. Sit there.
We can't watch no movie.
Go a carry bar,
Wherever no watch a movie, we can't go on.
Watch a movie.
We're not paying no money.
On YaadMentz. Oh, it's only for one person though. Let's get that. Hey, Devon, Sean, thanks.
Hi, Rondine. Hey, girl, what's up? What's up, girl?
I forget the thing here.
Hello.
Clive is here?
Clive? No.
Yeah, this is Lillywhite?
No.
Which one is it? On the other side?
I think it's on the other side. Yeah. Turn up on Violet.
Alright.
And then it's off Violet. You know Violet, right?
Hi. Hey, thanks for tuning in.
Hi, guys. Yes, I was telling Rondine hi.
Okay, so again, we're going to make this
Rondine,
video.
why didn't you enter this time? Huh? Why didn't you enter?
Thanks for butting in. Again, thanks guys for continued support on the YaadMentz, and we love the support, we love the views, we love the share, we love the likes. Yo, big up on yourself. Again, this video will be saved in our story. So if you didn't get to watch it, you will see it again, and you will see the lucky winner who will raffle in this bag. We have some names in this bag, in this in this envelope.
I'm not gonna butt in.
We have some names in this envelope. We're gonna choose the lucky winner for YaadMentz season 3 giveaway. Yes.
Oh, I think that's Sammy's mom.
Hey, thanks for joining in our giveaway.
Hi, Corey. What's up?
Big up on yourself. Giveaway time.
Corey, why didn't you enter? Huh? Corey said, wait, add his. Why are you so funny though? No, you just know say you want to go movie? Bro? Seriously.
All right. Stop trying to hog all the camera. Guys, thanks again for tuning in to our giveaway, a live giveaway. We're going to raffle the persons who have entered our giveaway. We'll have the envelope here with everybody's name.
Corey said I must add his name. Hold on. Keep talking.
So yes, again, we will make this video available to you so you can watch it in our story stream. So if you didn't get to see it while we were live, it will still be available so you can actually see the lucky winner of this movie voucher that we're giving away for YaadMentz season 2. Again, if you head over to our YouTube channel and watch the highlight video, you will actually see why we're giving away this, the rules to give away. I think it's kind of too late now to
Why? What is Corey saying? Because I knew I would win. Ha ha ha. Hi Ty, what's up, man?
Welcome to our live feed.
Tyshawn, why didn't you enter, man?
Today's our giveaway. Movie ticket giveaway. For one.
Corey, if you're commenting on me, wait.
Ready for raffle up?
Wait, me there wait for see if Corey there comment for you. Why I must wait on him?
We're raffling.
Oh, so you don't want Corey to enter?
We're raffling.
It's basically what you were saying.
We're raffling.
Corey, I'm gonna see your comment.
You want to do the honors of choosing the winner today?
What? No, you should choose. I think I chose the last time.
Okay, you shake it up.
Hit. I don't think that's really working.
No, you can't just shake up the ball, but yo, she is so extra.
I'm so extra. Didn't you know this? I'm sure all these people on this live know I'm extra. Corey, someone for going through. Hi, Tyshawn. Him say later.
So open the envelope so I can choose.
I was shaking over finish.
Okay.
This is Saturday before you go out.
Whoop. Something's playing.
Alright,
so the
here we
winner
go.
is...
Drum roll. Alright, boom. I choose a name.
Daniel said somebody name I can follow. Oh, nobody name never followed. I don't think
No,
so.
nobody name follow. So, the lucky
winner is the Sheds.
Shadeen won.
Big up yourself, Shadeen.
There we go. This is our winner for season 2 giveaway.
She's a good girl.
Here we go. Hey, she wanted to enter so bad.
She did.
She actually won.
Yes.
Shadeen, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, girl. Hi, Paula.
Your movie voucher is here.
Extra people run the world. Yes, Corey. Yes, we run the world.
Now for extra all times. Again, our winner is Shadeen. Our lucky winner for season 2 is Shadeen. Thank you for entering again, guys. We want to thank you so much for the support. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting. Thank you for tuning into our live feed as well.
I made her win. She's so funny.
Right.
Anyway, guys.
Big up on yourself.
I want to enjoy the Sunday evening. Yes. I hope you guys are having a good weekend.
Yeah, this is Heroes
Weekend. I love those hearts. Thank you for all those loves, Paula, Nicole. Big up yourself, Paula.
Big up on yourself.
We'll see you in season 3.
Season 3. We will be having a season 3, guys. So you have to stay tuned. We don't know what we're giving next year. We give a 2 movie ticket. Probably we do.
We'll give away a bottle of wine. Who like wine out here?
Who like wine?
Who like wine out here?
I don't know.
Corey, you like wine? Oh my God.
Yeah. Again, thank you for tuning in. Big up on yourself, YaadMentz.
Later.
We're at the YaadMentz spot. This is where we do
all the filming. So extra. Bye. Can you turn this off? How you turn it off?
Bye, guys. Thank you for tuning in.
How you turn it off?
Well, I think it's right.
The end right there.
Okay. And boom.